So I thought it would be helpful to show you how I use self-assessment in both AP chemistry and honors chemistry. I use a program called Formative, and you could actually use it for free for quite a few different kinds of questions. So if you want to check this out later, you can totally try that. So what I do is in every unit, I do learning objective checks after I teach a lecture. So this is an example one where I have 10 questions. So you can see I have question 1, 2, these are multiple choice style. I also have ones that are free response, but they have all different kinds of responses you can give. And so what I do is after teaching the lecture, I give the learning objective check. And this is an example where I had instant feedback given, so students would know if they got it right or if they didn't get it right. And so what it looks like, when I create it, I could put in all the answers. So it's there waiting. So when it auto grades, this is the view that I have. So this is showing my AP chemistry class randomized. And what I love about these kinds of self-assessments is clearly I could see which questions they're doing really well on. So I could click on this first question and I could see the frequency of how they did on it. I could click on, let's say, question 7. I could see the number of students that said the correct answer and the number of students that got the incorrect answer. Here's another one where there were some rounding differences, but then some were really off. And so it really gives me an idea what questions students are doing well on or not doing well on, and they also have that immediate feedback. So I've used it both where I can use it for grading, I could use it for them to self-assess to see if they're on the right track, or pretty much any variety you can think of. And so what I love about it, you could also look overall how your different classes are doing on things like learning objective checks, whether you have instant feedback or not. And it's a super easy program to use. So if you've never used Formative, I think it's great for self-assessments. It's very clean, which I like, and it's very easy for students to use because a lot of us in science have been using it. And so to show you how easy it is to create a little self-assessment, I can just type in example. I could choose short answer. Tell me about your day. And then we can put in point values and answers, and I could immediately assign this and share that link with students. So a very easy way to do self-assessment that is different than Google Forms that students are used to.